My good friend, thank you for coming back to join my channel again. Now if you guys want to see how I got this look here, you stay tuned, okay? I'm gonna bring it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Naturally Me Dion here again with another tutorial. Now today, girl, we're gonna be doing something very new. I'm very excited about it because it's fun. Like, I really like theatrical makeup. I love theatrical makeup. I like theatrical makeup. Everything about it, you know, like I just wouldn't mind just doing that for my life. Like, give it a try. So can you stay tuned for me? And I'm gonna be talking to you guys throughout this video. And right now, before I get set, I already, you know, my face is already cleaned and whatnot. I'm just gonna prep my skin, prep my face. Ooh, feels so good. Gonna prep my skin. Oh yes. Smell like peppermint. Ooh, minty. Ooh, it just make my face breathe. Like, she's digging it. So I am grabbing my latex. Okay. So guys, I grabbed my latex, and you need to let this air out a little bit because you need to be sure that you're not allergic to any latex. A lot of people are allergic to it. So just kind of let it air out a little bit before using it, or try it on your arm to see, you know, how the reaction of it is gonna be on you. And I had to put my glasses on because I really can't see, okay? But this here, it was so much fun because, girl, watch how I make this mermaid, this wounded mermaid. I'm going to do the best I can. First time doing this. And I think I did a pretty good job. So I'm just going to maneuver this on with a brush. And this here is a Real Technique brush that I'm using. I do not recommend for you to use a brush because it's hard to get out of the brush, okay? It's really, really hard to get out of your brush. So, yeah. So just making sure that it's on the skin and making sure it's like, get it as evenly blend as you can as possible. It ain't easy to do this. I'm telling you, I really don't recommend for children to do this by themselves, you know. Make sure you have an adult that is attending to you while doing this, because I don't want you to get this in your eye. It really will burn very badly. So I'm just disputing it over my skin or whatnot, and just making sure it's all flat as possible, which is very hard because it's like a liquid form mixed with this gooey. Look, my eye is like something happened there, but it's just the scent is so strong. It might have went too far up. Maybe shouldn't go that far up. So now what I'm gonna do is take a piece of a tissue paper. I'm gonna pat it in and I'm gonna build it up. So now what I'm going to do is go into one of my favorite dip brows, and that is by Kat Von D. Now I will list the color in the description box so you guys can see. I just thought this would be a pretty great color for a mermaid brow. So guys, what I am going to do is go ahead and speed through this video because it took time to do my brows, and I never really like doing my brows on camera because it takes extremely long sometimes. That adds extra time that we don't need, okay? So I'm just going to do one brow, and then I am going to go ahead and do the other one off camera. Then I'm going to go into my Morphe palette. The Artistry palette. I'm going to just dive in here and see what kind of colors I like that I can probably go for. Since I've did burgundy brows, I'm going to dive into this purple color here. I'm going to definitely get enough of that color. Now what I'm going to do is one of my favorite things that I try to do almost every video, but I forget because a lot of looks doesn't cause for me to do this. I'm definitely going to go and cut my crease, and I'm going to use the Morphe concealer. And this is like a whitish pink Morphe concealer. I love, like I said, it dries really nice and quick. And it only takes a little, but you need to move fast if you're gonna use it because it dries like very quickly. So guys, I'm really not gonna be talking much in this video, but I am gonna be I'm gonna talk through because this video took a lot of time, a lot of hard work and dedication to do this look. And I'm hoping that this video here can help you guys create an easier look, but just give you an idea, okay? It's not really about the products that I'm using. I'm gonna put all of the products that I use in the description box so you guys can know, okay? But we're gonna just keep it about the look because me explaining everything I'm using, it ain't gonna be easy. Guys, I just want to say that if you're a child and you're subscribed to my channel and you're watching this, don't try this at home because it's not really safe because of the things that you have to do, you know. And adults, if you're not really familiar with, you know what I'm saying, this, please don't try it because you can really hurt yourself. I was over here like cutting. So I'm just gonna go back into my Tarte Shape Tape. Girl, we're gonna glow. We're gonna glow today. Y'all, I'm going out today like with this on. Wherever I go today, you know, I'm going with this on today. This look is taking a long time. Anyway, let's get the setting. So now guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my concealer or whatnot. And now I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy some music and just, you know, see me just create this look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and I can't wait to see you guys at the end. See ya. So guys, right here, I'm just trimming it up, trimming my womb up a tad bit, and I'm gonna just throw some foundation back on there, kind of pat that back on there. I want it to be nice and as neat as possible because you know this is the first time me ever trying to create a womb, okay? Now you see that I'm gonna go ahead and put the rhinestones in, and what it is the womb has to be open and split just enough to put those rhinestones in. So I think I'm gonna still have to clip a little bit more away from that area to go ahead and execute this look. Now I also want to let you guys know, please do not attempt to do this part at home unless you're being monitored by an adult, someone older than 14, please, because I just won't know what I would do if I found out that you tried to do this from watching my video, okay? So guys, here I'm diving into the Crayon Case Watch Me Blush Palette. And I'm just going to use those shimmery, I look at them like kind of like highlights. It's really nice. I'm going to use it to give me like that like pretty fishy, you know, boom, shine. You know, see what I like about doing looks like this, guys. I can use colors that I won't use on a regular basis on my face, and that's what makes it so much fun because everything can get used, okay? Nothing left behind. So I am definitely feeling these highlighters that are in this Watch Me Blush palette. So if you guys are interested in this palette, I will put it in the description box below. Well, yeah. So be sure to check out the description box so you can see how you can get this palette. It's really nice, okay? So as you guys see that I'm still putting rhinestones on, trying to find out where I'm putting these rubies at. So I'm going to put it, I want to be really like, this look here tells a story beyond, you know, a mermaid. I mean, it's like it can be like a wounded mother. This look can replicate whatever you want, but to me, this thing here tells a story. It took time. It's very creative, and I mean, I just love this look. Like, this has had to be one of the best ones I've tried to attempt. So I'm just gonna go in with some more jewels, and I'm gonna put it like halfway above my forehead, in between my brows, you know, just to make sure that, you know, I want to be shiny. I want you to know that it's something is going on, and I'm totally happy about it. Okay, I want to show you the good side and the bad side. I just, you know, want to even everything out. Now, girls, let me tell you something. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it at this time. Go ahead, show me that you can do it, okay? I'm finna give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you do it yet? Okay, because this is much needed. Okay, subscribe. This look here took me some time. Want to give you guys some ideas, and I hope you enjoy it. So, as you guys see, I am beginning to draw on my face, and this just coming out of nowhere. This is just coming out of nowhere. I just wanted to do my own thing. You know, what did I think? What do I think I want my mermaid to look like? What would my mermaid look like? I mean, except the bad side, you know, because she wounded. You know, she wounded. You know, she had a few trespassers tried to come get her and everything, and script her skin, her face, you know, and she end up at the end, she's still beautiful, you know. Those wounds turned into rhinestones. Praise the Lord. Yes, that she is. She's recovered and she's redeemed. That is what we dealing with. So, oh my God. So what I am diving into is the Hood of Beauty, and I think that's the Emerald palette that I'm using to bring the shimmers on there. Oh my God, it looks so good. I just love those glitters. I like the glitter effect, okay? The glitter effect is bomb.com to me, okay? Like, there's nothing else like the glitter effect on my face. I just freaking love it. So I'm just filling in the lines, okay? Connecting the dots, you know, as they say. Okay? So right here, guys, I'm just going in and trying to cover up the darkness that I put there. But if you can't cover up the dark lines, the black lines, then it's okay. I mean, it's no big deal. You don't have to cover them up. But I was trying to, you know, and then I was trying to get through, because this look here really had me going. This took a lot of time. And I'm just going to throw some highlights into the tear dub of my eye, just to get that done, or whatever, you know, kind of just give it a little finish touch. Oh my God, look at this. Ew, it looks so scary. It's pretty. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure, I'm just turning around so you guys can see. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope to see you guys again in the future. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this to come, and send me some ideas. Tell me some ideas. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to try? Okay, because I'm gonna master this wound thing. Okay, I'm gonna really get this. I'm gonna master this to the best of my ability. Don't worry, she's gonna master this. Okay, she's going to master this. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you for supporting my channel. Do come back and see me now, okay? Come back and see me now. Bye, guys. Bye, pussycat. See y'all later. Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool, why are you breaking